Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's travel tips and tricks. Today, we're sharing 10 lesser-known travel hacks that you won't find in your average guidebook. These tips will help you save money, have a more authentic experience, and make the most of your travels. Let's get started. Hack number 1 is to take advantage of budget airlines' baggage restrictions by packing everything into a carry-on bag. By avoiding checked baggage fees, you can save money and have more flexibility during your travels. Hack number 2 is to use flight comparison websites and set price alerts. These websites can help you find the best deals on flights and save you money on your travel budget. Hack number 3 is to look for alternative accommodations, such as couchsurfing, house sitting, or camping. These budget-friendly options can provide a more authentic travel experience and allow you to save money on lodging costs. Hack number 4 is to join the loyalty programs for hotels, airlines, and rental car companies. By joining these programs, you can earn rewards and upgrades, making your travels more comfortable and convenient. Hack number 5 is to use public transportation instead of taxis or private car services. By using public transportation, you can save money, get a more authentic experience, and have a more sustainable trip. Hack number 6 is to book tours and activities through local operators instead of big tour companies. By doing this, you can have a more personalized and cost-effective experience while exploring your destination. Hack number 7 is to research local events and festivals happening during your trip and plan to attend. This can provide a unique cultural experience and give you a chance to immerse yourself in local customs. Hack number 8 is to use a portable Wi-Fi hotspot instead of relying on hotel or cafe Wi-Fi. This will provide you with better and more secure connectivity while you're on the go. Hack number 9 is to use apps and websites, such as Airbnb, to find short-term rentals for a more home-like experience. This can be a more cost-effective option compared to hotels and give you a more authentic feel for the local area. And finally, hack number 10 is to pack multifunctional clothing items, such as a scarf or jacket that can be used for warmth or as a blanket on a plane. This can help you save space in your luggage and be prepared for any weather conditions. And that's it for this week's travel hacks. We hope these tips help you have a more enjoyable, budget-friendly, and authentic travel experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and tricks. Safe travels!